Tēnā koe te katoa. He uri tēnei no te wharetapu o Ngāpuhi, anō hoki he uri no te wharetahito o muri whenua. Heoi, I tupu ake au ki tā maki makaurau, I raro I ngā mātāpono te aho matua, anō hoki I raro I ngā korowai aroha atawhai a ngā kuia me ngā karaua no te marae o Hānau Waititi. After finishing intermediate level at Kura Kaupapa, I was looking for a bit more in my education in regards to different subjects like drama, graphics, art and all those things. So my whānau decided that it would be best maybe to try another kura, maybe a kura auraki, just to give me the option of trying new subjects and stuff. So I went to Western Springs College and spent the rest of my high school years there. And then after that, continued on to university to where I am now. Finished my undergraduate in multimedia and Māori development, and then now I was doing my postgraduate study, Master of Arts in Māori development. I think I'm still trying to discover the right terms and the right definitions to explain who or how I identify as myself, but still trying to understand the differences between gender orientation, sexual orientation, and sexuality, and then all those things. But I think for myself, tuatahi mai he tangata, tuarua he tangata Māori, kātahi rā pia ka whakaarohia ki ngā āhuatanga o te āhuatanga moi tāne, moi wahine rānei. It wasn't until I think in my late teens is when I started to be introduced to different types of people as takataapui. Like for example, one of my dad's closest university friends is takataapui, and he's from Te Aitanga Hauiti, and I would say, because I consider him as one of my uncles now, he's helped me navigate quite a few things within the process of coming out, and also just trying to understand the different types of people within our own hapū, because at the time I thought it was just me and only me sort of thing in regards to the type of sexual orientation. But it was, I think it was later on in my life, like after leaving high school, was when I really started to experience and interact with other takataapui members. Aha ko te aha is a rōpū kapahaka, well, known for kapahaka, but the rōpū mainly stands for just providing another whānau space for our hapū members to get together and to do Māori things like waiata, laugh, whai kōrero, gossip, and just, I guess overall just to be Māori in a space that you can be Māori, but I guess also to be authentic within your takataapuitanga. Provide that free space for you to express yourself openly, whether if you're a tāne who wants to express yourself as a wahine, or a wahine who wants to express yourself as tāne, or neither, kei a koe te tikanga. I use kapahaka as my, how would I say, my avenue for expressing myself, and I guess when I express myself, that's when I feel the most free, most well, in particular with the use of poi, but I think kapahaka has been a great avenue for me to be able to express who I am without having to identify who I am. Maybe I'm not identifying as neither male or female, but I guess trying to use that pronoun ia as being genderless in regards to not just physical aspects, but every other aspect. And hopefully people being open to that aspect of neither not being restricted to your physical gender.